Hello guys, welcome to Parmesan 374, and today I'm going to be doing an experiment with a frozen crushed orange bottle to see what happens. So, I'm going to skip the freezing part. I already freeze one, but I'm going to show you what a regular one looks like. So, here's a regular original crushed orange. As you can see, this is what it looks like. Nothing special. Okay, I'm gonna put that right there so you can see that, and I'm gonna go get the frozen one. And to be honest, this frozen one has been in there for a couple of days. To be honest, it's like a week maybe. So I'm gonna just take it out. Hold up. Oh my! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Guys, what is that? Look at that! Look at that! Look at this! Look at the difference! What in the heck? How did that happen? Look at the bottom. What in the world? Are you nuts? John, are you nuts? Yeah, I'm nuts. Look at this. Look at it's frosted. Oh my gosh. Hold up. This looks so weird. I think I am going to open this. Open the original. Let's see what happens. Nothing special, just orange. Really good. Now we are going to open this to see what happens. I don't know what's going to happen, y'all. Ready? Oh! Oh my! Oh my gosh! Guys, look at this! What's going on? Look at it! It's spilling! It's spilling everywhere and it's super orange. Yo! What is this? What is all this? What is this supposed to be? Hold up, I'll be right back. Oh my gosh. Guys, that is ridiculous. What is going on? Look at that. Alright, YouTube. That's pretty much it. I can't drink it. I don't wanna. This is insane. It just exploded in my face. It's still going, look. Look, what's this? Look, listen. Uh-oh. 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 What's going on? Bro! Ah! I don't want to face it towards the camera. I don't want to. It's just leaking. Like, that is insane. Well, anyways, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. I'm going to throw this in there.